the cleaner's trolley, and how it is set up will control how productive and effective your cleaner's shift will be. A correctly set up cleaner's system, where all the required tools are stored in a ready-to-use state, will ensure that your cleaning staff have everything they need on hand to make their cleaning easier, safer, faster and cleaner. Your trolley is a complete cleaning station. All your ready-to-use mops, cloths, wall washing heads and high dusting tools are stored within easy reach. All consumables and other cleaning items like gloves and chemicals are located in easy to access drawers, and there is even a place for staff to store personal items and necessary paperwork. The system allows storage for enough separate cloths and mop heads to allow for a fresh cleaning tool for each separate area. Used mops and cloths are placed in a bag at the rear of the trolley for later laundering. At the end of the day, remove all the used items from your cleaner's trolley. Your trolley should also be wiped down at the end of the shift. Start by wiping the cleaner touchable surfaces, like the handle and the doors, and then unfold the cloth and wipe the rest of the trolley. Cleaning tools and mop handles should also be cleaned by wiping them with a clean microfiber cloth, and for deep cleaning they can be wiped with alcohol wipes. Remove the solution container from the aqua mop by pressing down and turning clockwise. Empty the bottle and rinse out with clean water. Press the solution button down on top of the handle and lock into the on position by turning it to the right. This will allow any solution to run out of the hose and allow it to air dry overnight. It is essential that the solution hose remains open overnight to air dry for infectious control reasons. Place in the wall rack or back on your cleaner's trolley. Once your trolley is clean, you can now reload it for the next cleaning shift, as you've just completed the cleaning and will have a good understanding of what you will require for tomorrow's shift. Clean mop pads need to be placed into your blue and red buckets, so you have a separate mop for every general or washroom area that you will be cleaning. Then you will need to make sure you have enough cloths and scrubby pads for each separate area. Make sure you have all the consumables, including soap refills, toilet paper, paper towels, bin liners, gloves and chemicals you will need in the correct area of your trolley. Place the correct amount of high dusting covers and wall washing heads on the trolley. When you start your shift the next day, all that's left to do is simply add the correct amount of properly diluted cleaning solution to your cloths and wall washing pads and fill up any cleaning containers you will need. The Interclean Complete Microfiber Cleaning System is ready to help make your cleaning easier, safer, faster, cleaner and greener.